Oh man.
But anyway, yeah, we're playing that. That was a good time. They're gonna make a league for it.
We should play.
Well, yeah, anybody can enter. We can make a team and just enter in. We'll probably get stopped,
we need top players though. Good players.
Yeah, we could go make a league. Make a team and just go in there with the new league that they got.
Let's go.
Fresh and Fit Pro Gamers.
We should call it too.
We'll get banned.
No, you will get us banned.
Bro, we gonna get banned. We gonna get banned at the registration, bro.
Myron Unleashed, Captain Teabag. Yo, it's a wrap, bro.
Well, yeah, I mean, put it this way, guys. There's a reason why we stream that on Rumble and we don't stream it on YouTube, bro.
Holy.
I can't, yeah. We would be banned within a day if you guys saw those streams on YouTube, bro.
God,
or Twitch.
They're gonna be like, excuse me, sir, what is your screen? Oh, I'm Captain T-Bag. Wait, what?
Yo, because we got to make a whole, because we can't use Stream Elements for it either, or Streamlabs, whatever the fuck. We got to use a whole other thing. It's going to be called Real Nigga Gaming. So check it out. That's because we're bringing toxic gaming back, guys. We're bringing it back. We're bringing it back to 2004 or 2005, where you can go in that lobby and talk shit and say what you got to say and roast people for having nerdy ass voices and being losers.